Hi, I'm Chris from TutorFlow and thanks for joining me today. Now, in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how TutorFlow makes it effortless to create complete, engaging courses using just a simple prompt. Whether you're part of a company's learning and development team or teaching at a school or university, this platform is designed to save you time and elevate the way that you train and educate. Now, let's go ahead and dive into the platform. Right here is your prompt box, and this is where all the magic happens. Just type in the kind of course that you'd like and TutorFlow will generate it for you. Here's the first example. Imagine you're a customer success manager onboarding new hires. Instead of repeating the same training every time, you simply enter a detailed prompt and within seconds, TutorFlow generates a full course, complete with sections, visuals, and a quiz at the end. Everything is fully editable so that you can refine it to match your company's needs. Now, let's look at an education example. Suppose you're teaching students the basics of Python. All I need to do is simply type a prompt describing the course and allow TutorFlow to instantly create a ready-to-use course for me. What's more, students can run and debug code directly inside the platform, making learning interactive and hands-on. So whether you're onboarding employees, teaching compliance, or running academic courses, TutorFlow helps you build courses quickly, effectively, and at scale. Now, if you're ready to transform your training programs, try TutorFlow today and let AI do the heavy lifting for you.